Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to learn how we can record the fixed assets by using the journal entries in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Now the next transaction is of 14 January 2024. It says Suzuki pickup or motor vehicles bought by paying check number which is 8802 by Bank of America. So again, we have two choices. Either we can do the write checks or we can do the journal entries. But most people prefer to enter the fixed assets from journal entries. So let's do this. Let's put the date here. Now it's mentioned here Suzuki pickup and motor vehicles. That means the bigger category, the major category is motor vehicles. We will not create the ledgers for every single asset. What we will do is we will categorize it in the major assets. For example, if we create the fixed asset ledger, then we will create motor vehicles for it. And all the vehicles we can enter it in fixed assets. But again, this depends on company policy. If the company wishes to enter every single fixed asset separately, then you can do that. 50,000 debit. And let's copy and paste the memo. Paste here. And we are paying from Bank of America, which is credit 50,000. And let's save and close. You can also use the fixed asset tracking, but we will use that option later on. So this is how we can enter this in QuickBooks.